Hey guys, I'm Shereen and today I'm going to be making elote, which is a Mexican street corn. I'm going to be making it off the cob. Wait until you taste how amazing this recipe is. So if you love fresh and easy recipes, I want you to subscribe on the subscribe button below. That way we can get in the kitchen and cook together. But first, we need to head over to the farmer's market and grab all that delicious, fresh corn on the cob. So we're here, and guess what? Jackpot. Oh, I brought a little friend with me. That's Sophie. Say hi, Soph. Say hi, Mama. When you're choosing your corn, make sure you peel the corn. If you can peel it, even better, but make sure they're nice, hearty cobs. Look at all this beautiful corn. Okay, I've been buying it from the same farmer's market week after week, and I gotta tell you, it is so sweet. It has a nice snap to it. It's milky. That's the kind of corn you want. These are nice hearty cobs. Look at that bad boy. Yes. We're just going to drizzle a little bit of canola oil on top. Just brush it all the way around. So we're heating the grill. And then we're going to char these corn cobs. Can you make elote without grilling your corn? You could. It's not going to be the same. The flavor of the char really adds such a boost of amazing smoky flavor in the elote. But traditionally elote, you serve it on the cob and you insert a long skewer in the bottom, usually right here, and then you eat it like that. But I'm going to take it off the cob because the flavors are so good. You're going to want to get a huge spoon and just so our grill is ready. Oh, these kernels are so milky. I can see it already when I'm squeezing on it with the tongs. All right, so we are gonna grill these 2 minutes, each quarter turn. So about 8 to 10 minutes total time. I'm gonna lower the lid, but don't be alarmed if you hear the corn pop. It might sound like a firecracker. See that? That's what you want. So good. Just a little tip, when you're squeezing limes, you just want to take your palm and just give it a little zhuzh. That just loosens the juices and makes it so much easier to squeeze. And then we want one smoked jalapeno, which is a chipotle. And I'm going to take a little bit of that adobo. I've also nixed the chipotle and added a fresh jalapeno. That's really nice too. And last, sugar. So that just adds a nice sweetness, cuts through the acidity of the lime. It's almost like a sweet cream. So you could make this part ahead, put it in the refrigerator while you're grilling your corn. You can do it in the morning if you're preparing it on a Sunday. So here's how you remove the corn off the cob. You want to take a little bowl like that, put it inside a large bowl like this, grab your corn, grab your knife, and we're just gonna stir it all together, season it with salt and pepper. And we're done. We're gonna garnish it. So we're gonna finish it with some cotija, which is a Mexican mild cheese. We're gonna garnish it with some cilantro. I love cilantro. Great side dish for steak, pork chops, chicken. All right, so I'm going in for some. Seriously could eat this whole entire bowl. You want a bite? All right, that was a little too close. It's so good. It's like a sweet cream from the mayo and the sour cream. A nice little snap, milky snap from the corn, perfectly grilled. All right, guys, you gotta try this, but I wanna hear from you. So I want you to comment in the comment box below. Tell me what you think. Tell me how you would describe it. And tell me, would you make it again?